Hi, let us harvest our radish.
These are the seeds of radish. For radish also, you can make holes about ½ inch deep and 2 inches apart. 2 seeds in each hole. We can cover them with the soil now. These are the radishes that we sowed 3 weeks ago in hanging baskets. They are growing very well. Radish is a cool season vegetable. Now the temperature is above 70 degrees Fahrenheit. What happens is they will bolt or produce flowers now and will produce seeds for the next year. Our purple beans in hanging basket. This has flowers already. These roses are so beautiful.